Welcome to Dr. Chloe's clinic. Hey everyone! Today, I stumbled upon a fantastic question from one of our awesome viewers in the comments of our last video. Srinika asked, "How is electricity made?" I love seeing your curiosity, so let's dive into this electrifying topic together. Let's meet Srinika. Hi, Srinika. It's wonderful to have you here. Thank you for asking such a great question about electricity.
Hi, Dr. Chloe. I'm so excited to learn more about it.
Imagine a magic spark that lights up our world. That's electricity. It's like the super energy that powers our homes, schools, and even our cool gadgets.
But where does this magical spark come from? How do we make electricity?
Great question, Srinika. Electricity is often made in big power plants. One common way is by using turbines to spin giant generators. These generators are like super machines that turn the energy from things like wind, water, or even burning fuel into electricity. Once electricity is made, it travels through power lines to reach our homes and schools, just like magic light beams. Then it powers up everything from our lights to our TVs, making our world bright and fun.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks, Dr. Chloe, for explaining how electricity works. Now I understand it better.
You're welcome, Srinika. I'm thrilled you enjoyed learning about electricity. Keep being curious and remember there's always more to explore. See you next time. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments with your name, and I'll do my best to answer by creating a video like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your participation encourages me to continue creating content. Thank you for joining our journey at Curiosity Meets Answers.